Hi there! Hi, boys and girls! Yes, we are back again with the third Sudoku, a binary. What do we have? In today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, Thursday, January the 7th, 2021. In this additional, we have a binary, but what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8, a binary puzzle, and this will be number 2127. Yes. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, and there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. All right, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Then. Yeah, double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. I didn't saw this earlier. Yes, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. And then. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Then 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, for the 4th 1, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Yeah, I think we need to compare. No. Double one. Do we have a double one here? No. Double O here? No. Not the same. 10. Do we have a 10 here? No. 101 here. Yeah. Almost. The same. Alright. Empty box. 110011001100 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Need to compare again. Yes. the fourth column and the second column. 001111 empty box. 00 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. With one here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, O, there, no. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great binary with comparing. So you need to compare the rows and the columns. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, boys and girls, to so you can solve it by yourself. You need to figure it out by yourself. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.